Oh, wait, green blood. In the cave. Am I going in the cave? Oh, I'm in the cave. Oh god, you guys, I'm in here. I'm in here. See, I was looking for an alien ship, not like a cave. Oh my god, there's aliens! There's actual aliens! Oh my god! Oh my god. That scared me. I told you we were alien hunting! Damn it! But I wasn't, like, mentally prepared, you know? Oh god, okay. Oh, shitting hell. Oh, wow, okay. That was, not too bad. Are there more of these guys? Is that it?
Perfect.
Cool. Where can I get more of the ammo when it's ran out? Oh, he's sleeping. It is like a stereotypical alien. Okay, let's test this thing out. Oh, I'm so excited. I got it. I got the alien blaster. Okay. Let's do it. Oh, this is gonna be fun. You killed it. How could you? Okay, let's get back up here. I can't believe there's an alien in Fallout 4. That's so odd. But anyways, thanks for helping me find this sweet-ass alien blaster pistol. Ooh, that was fun. Let's go test it out by killing things. I mean, you would think his ship wouldn't be too far away, but adventure is out there. There's lots of fire I see here, so... Ah, yes, there it is. Beautiful. Poor guy. He was just looking for a place to stay. 'Cause he crashed. And I killed him! I killed the poor little guy. Goodbye, sir. You will be remembered. No, he was looking to kill you. Yeah, but you know what? He seemed like a cool dude, okay? I just don't like killing things. Hey, he shot you first. True. That is true. I didn't start it. He got hurt in the crash, that's why he crawled in the cave. Oh, I feel so bad now. I killed the alien. E.T. no phone home no more. Well, okay, let's wander around, kill things with this new sweet- Ah! Oh god! Oh my god! Why is everything scaring me tonight? I killed it! Looks like that was the alien of him. Oh god. Oh, I love the puns.